So today's project, this little JS 130, I think it is, yeah, a 13-ton excavator with very badly broken boom. It's been repaired previously by someone on a number of occasions by the look of it. Always makes it interesting when somebody's been at it before. But yeah, I like a challenge. So yeah, completely broken both sides. Need a major repair. So let's get her in, get the gouger fired up. So I've removed all of the plates, gouged out all of the original brake sight, the big crack that was repaired originally, gouged out previous repairs on the inside, and removed cracked side plate, gouged out the original manufacturer joint on the inside. I'll weld that up. I have a bit of misalignment on the top plate which I'll have to clamp down to square it up. And pieces broken off fully cleaned up with the grinder. We have gouged out the cracks on it also, ready for full penetration welding. We'll weld those cracks inside and outside before mounting this back up into place. We have some strengthening plates, doubler plates cut out, so we'll close this window and then put the doubler plate over the top of it. So we've got the holes lined up with the tight fitting bar mandrel to keep the alignment correct. Any free play was averaged out. Tacked into place with full penetration weld prep. Inside gouging prep, fully welded. Just waiting on a piece of plate to fill the window. And again, full penetration welds. We'll put the flux cord on and fill that right up in pretty much one pass. It's beginning to resemble an excavator boom again. After a lot of grinding. Many grinding discs. Not a nice job. Bloody overhead grinding should be reserved for pedophiles or something. Bit of a gap to fill here, but the flux core will take care of that. So we use a porta power just to squeeze the plate in tight so there's no gaps. Pressing off a pin. Damn, this flux core really is a lifesaver on the overhead. So closed up, so we're just getting ready to weld on the doubler plates. That's it all done. 10mm Hardox plates on the side should greatly increase rigidity. Feathered fishtails to distribute stress gradually. And single 10mm folding right round the end. Cheers guys, if you want to see more, click subscribe. I'll have a lot of equipment engineering and welding videos coming up. Also a lot of off-road videos and some quad videos. Click subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the repair. Thanks for watching guys, till the next one.